Markup.AI brings Content Guardian agents directly into Google Docs with our new Chrome plugin. Writers and business teams can get up and running in minutes. Once installed, visit the console to upload your brand style guide and terminology list. This is how Markup.AI learns your standards, blending best practices with your brand-specific rules. Get started by loading a Google Doc. Then launch the Markup.AI plugin alongside a piece of AI-generated content that's ready for review. This is the pivotal moment every marketing team faces dozens of times a day. Is this actually ready to publish? Once you launch the plugin, you can select which Guardian agents to run: AI visibility, brand compliance, and content integrity, and run them against the content simultaneously. In seconds, Markup.AI returns a publish readiness score and a list of edits across high, medium, and low risk. This is where Markup.AI is different from anything else on the market. High, medium, and low flags are surfaced and sorted by risk level or specific agent. But this isn't a report you just read. You get to work directly inside the plugin. You can dismiss suggestions, leave a comment for a colleague, or accept a replacement as a suggestion, or apply it live to the content, all without leaving the page. As edits are made, the issues are either dismissed or resolved. The risk level then drops. You get to see in real time when the content has gotten to a place when it's ready to publish. This is content control built for the volume AI has introduced. Markup.AI is the enforcement layer enterprise marketing has been missing. Get started now at Markup.AI.